Subscribe to Smart Tech channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates from us.
Lenovo Z5 features a 6.2-inch display with 1080x2246 Full HD Plus resolution and a 19:9 aspect ratio. Protecting the display panel is a layer of 2.5D curved Corning Gorilla Glass. Just like the majority of its rivals, the Lenovo Z5 does feature a notch on the top. If you are someone who hates the notch and were hoping the Z5 would feature a notch-less display, the Lenovo Z5 will probably not impress you with its notched front. The display panel itself is quite impressive, as Lenovo claims it covers the DCI-P3 color gamut and has a peak brightness of 700 nits. Lenovo has also worked to ensure the display offers fantastic color accuracy out of the box. As for the screen-to-body ratio, the Lenovo Z5 actually boasts a 90% screen-to-body ratio and 95% as previously expected. In terms of design, the Lenovo Z5 features a metal frame in the middle while the front and back panels are made out of glass. Just like the front panel, the rear panel is also protected by a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass. Under the hood, Lenovo Z5 is powered by Qualcomm octa-core Snapdragon 636 chipset under the hood. As some of you must be aware, the Snapdragon 636 chipset had made its global debut inside the Redmi Note 5 Pro earlier this year. When it comes to memory, Lenovo is offering the Z5 inches two configurations. While the base configuration includes 6GB of RAM and 64GB of onboard storage, the more expensive variant of the smartphone includes 6GB of RAM and 128GB of built-in storage. At the back of the handset is a dual-camera setup with AI Portrait and AI Night features. Lenovo is using a 16MP primary sensor with an f/2.0 aperture and an 8MP secondary sensor. Apart from the AI-powered features, the Lenovo Z5 is also capable of shooting 4K resolution videos at 30 FPS. On the front of the Z5 is a megapixel unit for selfies. Similar to the rear dual-camera setup, the selfie camera on the Lenovo Z5 also comes with AI-powered features to help users capture fantastic-looking selfies. Connectivity features include Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG and AC dual band, Bluetooth 5.0 low energy, GPS with 8 GPS, GLONASS, Baidu, USB Type-C, and 4G VoLTE. The smartphone is fueled by a 3300 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. The company vice president had teased a whopping 45 days of standby time, which led many to speculate that the Lenovo Z5 will be fueled by a massive battery. Unfortunately, that isn't the case. In terms of software, the Lenovo Z5 will be shipping with the Android 8.1 Oreo-based ZUI 4.0 custom skin running on top. Lenovo also promised that the smartphone will be up